gonna crank up the radio, enjoy some sunshine, and have some fun. But before I forget, if you like our content, please hit the like button and share it for us, because that helps us get out there a little more. It's so competitive with YouTube, and if you're not in the golden boy status, well, the more you guys share it, the more it will help us. So let's go have some fun. Thanks a lot. All right, let's pop a couple of stumps carefully. So I got one stump or a double right there, and then there's another one right there. Yeah, I know I've been warned by someone to be careful with that grapple, because the skid steers have way more power than a tractor. So I'm taking it kind of easy, plus the dirt is really soft, so I'm not like trying to yank it all at once. But enough blabber, let's give it a try. All right, we're gonna try to grab a couple stumps here.